The biggest enemy of exam week. Exam week can be a daunting time for students, filled with stress, anxiety, and the pressure to perform well. This document explores the various factors that contribute to the challenges faced during this critical period, with a focus on the biggest enemy of exam week: procrastination. Understanding this enemy can help students develop strategies to overcome it and succeed in their academic endeavors. The cycle of procrastination. Avoidance. Students may avoid studying due to anxiety about the exams or a lack of confidence in their abilities. Distraction. With the rise of technology and social media, distractions are more. 1. Create a study schedule. Developing a structured study plan can help students allocate time for each subject, making the workload feel more manageable. Breaking down study sessions into smaller, focused intervals can also enhance productivity. 2. Set specific goals. Setting clear, achievable goals for each study session can provide direction and motivation. For example, aiming to complete a certain number of practice problems or reviewing specific chapters can help maintain focus. 3. Seek support. Students should not hesitate to reach out for help, whether from peers, teachers, or academic resources. Study groups can provide motivation and accountability, while tutors can offer additional guidance on challenging subjects. Conclusion: procrastination is undoubtedly the biggest enemy of exam week, but it can be conquered with the right strategies and mindset. By recognizing the signs